All right, so this one is a little bit different. So this looks like something that we've done before. The only difference here is we're taking the derivative with respect to time. So no matter what, you're always going to end up with some type of dy dt or dx dt. So if I go ahead and I just start taking the derivative, I'm going to take the derivative of y, which is 1, but then I have to multiply it by the derivative of that original thing, and like the inside there, and I get dy dt, because it's respect to t, which is equal to 2 times dx dt this time, because the derivative of 2x is 2, but the derivative of x is dx dt. So minus the first one times the derivative of the second one, plus the second one times the derivative of the first one. So what I want to do is, since I'm solving for dy dt, I want to make sure to get that all on the same side. So distribute that negative through, and you're going to get dy over dt is equal to 2 dx dt minus x dy dt plus, so now that's going to be a minus there, minus y dx dt. So get all my dy dt's to the other side, and you're left with dy dt plus x dy dt is equal to 2 dx dt minus y times dx dt. And so what I like to do is I like to rewrite this and take out the pieces. So dy dt, this is 1 plus x over here. And then on the other side I get 2 minus y, and on the outside I've got dx dt. So I know dx dt, and I know x, so that's important. One of the things that might be helpful when I get going to this is solving for what does y equal. And so when I divide by that 1 plus x, I get this part alone. So I get something that looks like this. So I really do need that y, because that y is not going to cancel out here. So all I have to do is plug in 1 for the original equation. And so I get y is equal to 2 times that 1, or just 2, and minus y. So I add y to the other side, and I get 2y is equal to 2. Well, divided by 2, I get y is equal to 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these pieces to go ahead and solve for dy dt. So if my y is 1, I get 2 minus 1 all over 1 plus 1 times dx dt, which is 2. So 1 over 2 times 2, dy over dt has to be equal to 1. And that's how I go through and solve that one.